Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very well, thank you, Sidam. So, at the previous lesson, we have started a new topic, cooking verbs. So, now tell me please, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
No.
Yes,
Okay,
I like
Ahmed, do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Nurgul, do you like cooking?
Yes.
Marjan, do you like cooking?
No, I didn't cooking.
I don't like cooking.
I don't like cooking.
Ahmed, tell me please, how often do you cook?
Every day for breakfast.
Thank you. Nurgul, how often do
I
you
cook
cook?
when I have free time and dessert.
Do you cook at home, Marjan? I don't cook at all, yes?
I don't go yes.
Ahmed, what is your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish is pizza.
What else can you cook?
Pizza and omelette, soup.
Very well, great. Nurgul?
My favorite dish is dumplings, Thai meat, and borscht soup.
Very well, good, excellent. Thank you. Now tell me please, what do you think? What are the topic of our lessons today? Cooking dishes, yes? And today we will have speaking lessons. Now tell me please, can you describe how to cook dishes? Ahmed?
I think I cannot.
Nurgul, can you?
No.
No, you cannot. Okay, so today we will learn how to describe the cooking process. What do you think? What are the aims of our today's lesson? So, since we have a speaking lesson, what we will do? Ahmed?
We will speak a lot.
Yes, you're right. Nurgul?
We will practice.
Ahsan?
Practice.
Practice what? We will practice conversation. Now look at our lesson objectives today. So, today you will be able to first speak fluently, as we have speaking lessons, with correct pronunciation and intonation. Next, we will practice the conversation, you are right. And third, we will plan your own dialogue. We will practice and plan your own dialogues. So you have self-assessment card on your desk, and you will write your score during the lesson. Is it clear? So you will write 1 point, 2 point, or 0 point. Do you know what are the dishes?
No.
Marjan?
Omelette.
It's an omelette, yes. So, what is it? Do you know? It's a pie. And do you know what is it?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese. Do you like spaghetti bolognese?
Yes.
Do you like omelets?
Yes, I like.
Do you like pies?
Yes.
Now, you will listen to the conversation between Josh and his mom. And first, you should guess, what is Josh going to cook? The first question, what is Josh going to cook? First, listen to the dialogue.
CD2, track 28. Listen to Josh talking to his mum.
Right, Josh. The first thing to do is get out the ingredients. You'll need an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a packet of mince from the fridge, and some tomato puree.
Okay, I'll write down what I have to do.
Ready? First of all, chop the onion and the garlic and fry them gently with some oil until they're soft. Next, you add the mince to the pan. You need to stir it for a few minutes until it's brown.
Okay, it sounds simple enough. What else?
Then add the tin of tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato puree, some water to cover the meat, and salt and pepper.
Okay, then what?
Finally, when it boils, turn the heat down low. And that's it. If you put a lid on it and let it cook gently, it will be ready when I get home.
So, do you know what is Josh going to cook? No good?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Ahmed, what do you think?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Marjan, what do you think?
Omelette.
So, the correct answer, Josh is going to cook spaghetti bolognese. Now, write your score into your self-assessment card, please. Write your score. Now, you will listen to the recording again, and you should fill in the gaps in exercise 4 from your students' books on page 94. We have some phrases, and you should put these phrases to the conversation.
2. Track 28. Listen to Josh talking to his mum.
Right, Josh. The first thing to do is get out the ingredients. You'll need an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a packet of mince from the fridge, and some tomato puree.
Okay, I'll write down what I have to do.
Ready? First of all, chop the onion and the garlic and fry them gently with some oil until they're soft. Next, you add the mince to the pan. You need to stir it for a few minutes until it's brown.
Okay, it sounds simple enough. What else?
Then add the tin of tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato puree, some water to cover the meat, and salt and pepper.
Okay, then what?
Finally, when it boils,
Give your copybooks and your assessment cards to your classmates in a circle. In a circle. Marjan. In a circle. Now, look at the board. Look at the board. And check your classmates' answers. I have sent this track to our WhatsApp chat. Now take your headphones and listen to the dialogue and practice speaking, practice the pronunciation and practice the fluency. So take your headphones, take your phones and listen to the conversation. Good, Marjan. Now you will practice the dialogue and Akhnur will assess your conversation. Akhnur, you will give 1 point to Marjan or to Nurgul if they will pronounce words correctly. Next, you will give them 1 point if they speak fluently. And you will give them 1 point if they will speak with appropriate intonation. Is it clear? Okay, let's start.
Right, Josh. The first thing to do is get out the ingredients. You will need an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a tin of chopped tomatoes, the packet of mince from the fridge, and some tomato puree.
Okay, I will write down what I have to do.
Ready? First of all, chop the onion and the garlic and fry them gently with some oil until they're soft. Next, you add the mince to the pan. You need to stir it for a few minutes until it's brown.
Okay, it sounds simple enough. What else?
Then, add the tin of tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato puree, some water to cover the meat, and salt and pepper.
Okay, this one.
Finally, when it boils, turn the heat down low. And that's it.
Very good, nice, perfect. So, Akhnur, your comments to Marjan.
Marjan, you pronounce words correctly, 1 point. Speak fluently, 1 point. but you need to practice.
Your comments to Nurgul.
You have 3 points. Well done.
Very well, thank you, Ahmed. So now you will work in a group, and I will give you a recipe of butter cake, and you should make a conversation. You should plan a conversation, and then you will act out your dialogue. Is it clear?
Okay.
Now, working group, Ahmed. Recipe, you have a list of ingredients, and make sure you use the useful language phrases in your conversation. Okay? Make sure you use you need to stir it
And sugar,
Eggs.
butter, sugar, eggs,
Kapsel.
flour, yes, salt.
your dialogue, and Marjan, you will assess Aknur and Nurgul.
Okay.
The criteria are the same as the previous dialogue.
So let's make a cake. Are you going to help me?
Yes, of course. What do we need?
Okay, the first thing to do is get ingredients. We'll need eggs, flour, and sugar.
And water and yogurt from the fridge.
So first of all, put the sugar and butter into a bowl and mix them together.
Okay, that's done. What's now?
Now break the eggs and mix them.
It sounds simple enough.
Next, you add the yogurt. You need to stir it hot. Then all you do now is start mixing in the flour.
They're delicious.
Finally, put it in the dish. Spread, bake for 20 minutes.
And that is.
Not good. You have 3 points. Well done.
Very well, great, Marjan, thank you. Score your points and write the total number of your points here. Ahmed, how many points do you have?
9 points.
Very good, well, Nurgul, how many
9
points?
points.
Very good, excellent.
7 points.
Now let's revise our aims for today's lesson. So the first aim was speak fluently with correct intonation and pronunciation. Ahmed, do you think you speak fluently?
I think I can.
Okay. Nurgul, do you think you...
I think I need more practice.
Okay, thank you. Marjan, what do you think?
I need more practice.
Very well, thank you. And look at the second aim, practice the conversation. Did we practice the conversation?
Yes.
Yes, we did. The next, plan your own dialogue.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did. Now, show me please, how do you feel today? If you're proud of yourself, choose the green. Smile. If you have any doubts, you can choose the yellow. Smile. And if you have problems with making conversation, with pronunciation, you can choose the red. Smile. So, Ahmed?
I choose green because I understand everything.
Well done. Great. Good.
I choose green because I can make a dialogue.
Perfect. Thank you. Marjan, what do you think?
I choose yellow. I think I need more practice.
Well done. You are great today, and thank you for the lesson today. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.